Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to find sound and vibration. Now we have to find the phone ringtone section, and as you can see it is divided between the first and the second SIM card, which simply means that you can set different ringtone for the first one and different for another one, which is quite cool. Let me show you how to do it using the first SIM card. Of course, the same situation will be for the second one. After tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option none, and after picking it, your device will simply not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list we've got this add ringtone option, and basically you will be able to enter your own files. So if you will have anything, for example, downloaded like right here, you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me go back to the default options, and basically all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to tap on it. So let me do it, and probably I do not have my sounds turned on, and maybe it's a little bit too loud. Okay, as you can see, this is how it works. So simply tap on it and you will be able to check how it sounds and whether you like the option. So for example, in my case this one, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.